Hello and welcome to 1458 Daystar Lane, Deltona, Florida. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 3-car garage has over 2,440 square feet, sits on 0.37 acres, which is huge, but it's huge because it's at the end of a cul-de-sac in an estate community here in Deltona, just a short ways from I-4. Completely remodeled kitchen, all sorts of updates. You've got to see this beautiful home. Come on, let's go take a look. So that concludes our tour of this beautiful home today. If you have any additional questions about this home or any property anywhere here in the Deltona area, simply pick up the phone and give me a call. Thanks for watching.